Hello, it's Sal Contreras from Dentexperts. Check out this repair on this Honda S2000. Today I'm working on an all-original Honda S2000. You know, these are really nice cars, especially if you find an all-original one. Track those reflections, look at that. And today I'm going to work on this left rear quarter panel. What's really good about this is that it's below the gas door. And on an S2000, you can just sneak under to get to that. So I took an inspection to do that, and sure enough, I got good access. So what you want with dents when they're on the body line is perfection, because that means it's not stretched. There's displacement. When the dent went in, it put a wave of pressure right here. And you can kind of see it if you really look at it. And that wave of pressure has to be tapped upward to fill in this dent. That way the displacement is fixed and the dent can come out perfect. At least that's the way I fix them. All right, well, thanks for watching. Let's see if I get this one looking good. Appreciate the support online. Subscribe if you want to learn how to do this stuff. I started my career in paintless dent repair in 1992. Back then, it was just rods, and I'm so glad I learned how to use the rods to do this work, because the majority of the time, that's what you're using. Glue pulling came along later on to do certain procedures in the repair, but the majority of the time, you're having to work with the rods. I teach in the course that you weld sockets to the end of the rods to make it to where you can have a handle that rotates. And it's so easy, I was able to do it on camera here, holding the camera and the rod. Another great reason to have detachable handles and very slim is because you're going to have to put it in areas where it's just barely going to fit. Now I mainly look in the reflection and fix the dent that way, reading just the natural around me. But many times there's moments in the repair that you need a light, and I highly recommend a fog light, but only during certain parts of the repair. I think that's where I differ, is I do 80% of the repair in the natural reflection, and the last maybe 10% I use the light, and then in the end I go back to natural reflection for the finish. All right, all done with this S2000 quarter panel. Let's check it out. Let's take a light, put it on it. I like to push the dent out where I don't affect the surface at all. No heavy buffing afterwards, no clear coat sanding of any kind. The idea is to raise it up with the original orange peel. That's what I teach in my course online. Subscribe and find a new way to push dents out where it's nice and clean like this. It's done.